Hey guys, so we're getting right to the point. This is a beautiful Ram Power Wagon that I did one-step polish on the exterior and an interior detail. What you're seeing here is me washing the vehicle after I have clay barred it. So taking you around on time lapse, it's really handy to carry one of these long extension sticks when you're working on big vehicles. I'm about 6'1", so you can kind of see this GoPro's at an angle, but nonetheless, I'm going around, I'm doing the wash after the clay bar. What I'm going to show you guys is a little bit of the process of when you take your vehicle off-roading. There are ways to bring it back to life. Okay, so I'm just rinsing off the truck, getting everything on it. I'm going to go ahead and dry it. Once I do that, I'm going to show you the polished side and then the not polished side. Okay, so the first thing that I'm showing you guys is the driver's side. This side has already been polished out and it looks great, right? It might look a little bit too great. How do you know what it looked like beforehand? I'm about to show you, but for the time being, I want you to focus on the reflection that I have on the driver's side. So this is the passenger side, and I'm trying to get the correct angle so that you can use the location of the sun on the truck to gauge how bad this thing was. Now, if you focused on it, you're looking at the swirl marks, you're looking at all the little scratches from outdoors, whatever it was, twigs or things like that. This is how it looked on the other side. So when you're off-roading, you get through trees, shrubs, and all that stuff. They are scratches, but they're not as deep, right? But they still look horrible. And this is a white truck. White hides a lot of things. But the combination that I used to get this truck looking amazing was the Rupes LHR 21, Lake Country's Coarse Pad, the blue one, as well as Jescar's medium polish. Now I'm going back around so that you can see the reflection. I have now completely polished out the truck, and I like to go ahead and rinse it, make sure I remove any dust, any residue from the cutting compound, and just look at the uniformity on these beads on the hood. When I washed it the first time, it was all over the place. It looked bad. Right here, I'm showing you the beautiful leather interior. Now look over to the left. Although those are weather mats, it was still dirty. There was a lot of clay, mud, and dust inside of it. But I got those cleaned, I got the interior cleaned, and now it's ready to go. The owner, my client, my friend, was super, super excited about seeing this. And this is what the truck looks like, completely done. I was thankful enough for him that he gave me this County of Los Angeles Fire Department breast cancer awareness patch. It means a lot to me because my aunt was a registered nurse that did outreach for breast cancer, and sadly, she succumbed to breast cancer. But I love you, Tia, and I love this truck. I love how it came out. Just look at that reflection on the passenger side. This is amazing. You can go play with your truck, go off-roading, then bring it back to me. I'll revamp it, make it look amazing, and then just get it ready for the next time you go out. So this is a short video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I really hope that you saw the transformation, but most importantly, I want you to know that having the right combinations will get this car, or any car, back to its original glory. Thanks.